A and B. So therefore, this is what you have to write this down, because it is a formula it will use in solving what? In solving different kind of question under what? Under addition rule of what? Probability. So, but there is one thing that I need you to know in mutual exclusive. If A and B are mutually exclusive, let's say mutually exclusive, the probability of A and V, it is equals to 0. But why the probability of A or V, it is equals to probability of A plus what? Plus probability of A. But you have to take note of that. If what? If A and what? And V are what? If A and V are mutually what? Are mutually exclusive. So if they are mutually exclusive, this should be 0, and therefore what? A or B should now be what? Probability of A plus probability of what? Of B. So if we take a look to multiplication, let's say we have multiplication rule. So in multiplication, okay, let me talk about the conditional probability. In conditional probability, whenever the probability of what? Probability of A against B, it is equals to what? The probability of A and V divided by what? The probability of A and V divided by the probability of what? Probability of B. So the probability, I'm looking for the probability of A and B. If I multiplied both sides by what? By the probability of B, and multiply this by probability of what? B, this will cancel this. So therefore our end will